Alright, you're tired of the same side dishes for dinner and you want something that's quick, it's easy to make, and that tastes great. Try these Parmesan crusted potatoes. Grab some potatoes here. I got red potatoes. Cut them in half and just score it with your knife. That's going to help the flavors get into the potato and it's going to cook faster. Also, I'm leaving the skin on these potatoes, so make sure you give them a good wash because potatoes are really dirty. Let's do that with the rest of the potatoes. Cut them in half, give them a score. Got my oven preheated to 425. Grab a baking dish here, pour 4 tablespoons of melted, unsalted butter to the bottom, and grate in some Parmesan or Reggiano cheese, like a lot of it, at least 1/3 cup. You want to get a nice Parmesan crust on these potatoes. Once all that parm's in, sprinkle in a little bit of granulated onion, a little bit of granulated garlic. No measurements here, just eyeball it, no big deal. A little bit of dried oregano, like a teaspoon of each. Touch of FCP. And then just a pinch of salt, because you're going to get a lot of salt from the Parmesan. You don't want to oversalt it. Give all those ingredients a mix. You want to form a paste. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a video. You want to completely cover bottom of the pan here. This way we get an even crust on all the potatoes. Add the potatoes to the pan, and obviously you want to do it like this so you get that nice Parmesan crust. Bake them for about a half hour until they're fork tender. And once they're done, beautiful Parmesan crusted potatoes. Make this recipe. Guarantee you'll love it. See you in the next one.